Hello guys, I am back to fill in this request of the Hoover Turbopower 3500 versus the Eureka Excalibur. I finally said it right. I've been saying it Excalibur. Nowhere in the word does it say excab, the word cab. So Excalibur versus Turbopower 3500. Sorry my room's a mess, usually not like this, but I got a few new vacuums to show. So, anyway, without further ado, I'll just get straight into it. There's that. Now I have to unplug this one. Bearings do sound dry on that. Maybe it just hasn't been running in a while. Alright. Turbopower 3500. I think the Turbopower does significantly better than the Excalibur. But anyways, there's that, and I will showcase a new vacuum. I have a Hoover Preferred now, and a few others, so we'll look forward to that. Until then, I'll be signing out. Thank you for watching.